Okay, next types and technique of family therapy. See here main different types of the family therapy. In that family therapy, how technically you can provide to the each all persons. Main here individual family therapy. Individual means in family members 5 or 6 members is there, means in that family only just you can just choose up the one individually only. You can take up the individual person, you can identification of the what they have the problem like individually. Here in this all family member has a different therapist, means different have to the character of the in family member. That's why their therapist also very differently they will choose up to the each person's how like that how the behavior, how they're doing of the abnormal behavior, this and all differently therapist also they will observe to the in family members. And the whole family may meet with the one or two therapists occasionally to see how the family member behave with each other and rule out specific issues. In whole family may meet with the one or two therapists, means that one or two therapist people they will meet to the family members. Why these therapist people meet to the family members means occasionally, like occasionally to see how the family member, how they have the behavior, how they doing up the behavior to the each other, and specifically any issues is there in family. Totally, you can observe in the family member. See, example, you at least you staying up to 2 hours. Any one person means that time what happened, you don't know about that person. At least one day you staying to that person means that time you know at least what is main behavior, how they activities. Immediately you can know. Like this also therapist peoples also occasionally they'll go up this somewhere in the family with family members. Then you can see how they behavior, any issues, how they family members, how they're speaking to the other persons. This another therapist only you can observe in the individually. That is a individual family therapy. Any issues problem, specifically any issue problem in the family, that also therapist peoples will identify. Next, conjoined single family. Conjoined single family like one nuclear family. Conjoined single family means like a nuclear family. Here, the nuclear family is seen and the issues and problems raised by family are he once addressed by the therapist. The therapist main identification of the particular family. Seen of the nuclear family, at least 4 or 3 members is there, means that is a called as nuclear family therapy. They will they will they identify the address and they will go to the home, nuclear family home. They will totally observing the issues, any problems rise in the family. This under once total individual also they will observing of the nuclear family, how they having up the any abnormal behavior, any problems rising or any issues having a this under therapist only they will they will identification of the nuclear family. And the way in which the family interact is observed and the become focus of the therapy. Main this family interact, whenever family interacting to the therapist peoples, observably become focus of the therapy. Whatever we have, whatever family therapy providing to the family members, that time that family members total you can focus to the therapy time. And the therapist helps the families deal more effectively. The therapist main helping to the family members like a dealing, you have any problem, that related problem only the therapist will deal to in the family's problem. And effectively with problems as they rise and are depend what they have the problem, particular problem what affecting of the particular problem to the family members, this and all rising and defining what is main problem, this and all defining of the therapist and helping to the conjunct, the therapist helping to the conjunct family members. That is a nuclear family. And next, couple therapy means couple therapy like a 2 persons, okay, like a husband or wife and lovers are like this 2 couple therapies. Here, Therapist will help to the couple in finding difficulties. In the therapist main, he will help to the finding to the couple difficulties. Any couple difficulties, any problem or anything happening and any difficulties, this another therapist will observe to the couples and families pattern. How that couple family pattern, any in family members, whoever any have the any health problem or any psychiatric problem, that also you can totally family pattern also you can the therapist will identify. And communication technique, how to will maintain up the communication technique also they will use. And resolving conflicts, whatever they have the couple family members, whatever they have the any problem, immediately therapist will help and resolving of the conflicts. And recognizing and respecting each others. You can recognize means immediately you can identification and respect give to the each other similarities and differentiation. Means similarity and difference means you can different sense. You can couples na like a two persons individually you can differently you can similarly you can observe to the each person how they getting a problem means couples only have any problem like this totally you can recognize and you can give respect to the similarity and differentiationly you can see who have main problem. This are not like that you can identify you can provide of the family therapy. Like that is a couple therapy. Next, multiple family group therapy, like a joint family. Here, in these 4 to 5 members meet weekly, confront and deal with problems they have in common. These multiple family members we meet weekly. Weekly once they will come, they will meet to the therapist. Why means they have any problems means the totally they have some common problem. The problem only they will deal with the therapist. I have this problem. How will reduce like this? This meet this all my multiple family members they meet to the weekly once to the therapist. And ability of communication, how in a multiple family in family and joint family how they have the capacity of communication means how to maintaining up the communication in the family members. And fear, anybody have getting up the anybody have to the fear and negligence and social skills have or not, this and also you can observe in the multiple family. And teach how to develop new relationship, the therapist people they will teach to the giant family how to you can maintain how to you can develop up the good new relationship. This and all also they will give to the therapist, they will give to the like this some points to the giant family members. That is a multiple family group therapy. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, okay. Next topic, electroconvulsive therapy. Next therapy, electroconvulsive therapy. Main here, what is electroconvulsive therapy? Like ECT. This main electroconvulsive therapy, whoever have the bipolar disorders, otherwise whoever have unconscious persons, like coma person, that time only main useful of the electroconvulsive therapy. Here, electroconvulsive therapy is a medical treatment most commonly used in patients with severe major depression. Whoever have the patient severe major depression, that time only this ECT useful to the that persons. But this ECT therapy is one of the medical treatment. This most commonly to the whoever have the severe major depression and bipolar disorders that has not responded to other treatment. Means whoever have the bipolar disorders and very severe major depression, that time only this ECT therapy will useful of the patients. Mean this has not responded to other treatments. Nobody that patients who depression patients and bipolar disorders people they're not responding to the other treatment because of they don't want to be the treatment. Only ECT therapy useful to the that patients. That's why they can't respond to the other treatment, only responding to the ECT therapy. Next, this ECT involves a brief electrical situation. ECT involves many brief electrical stimulation of the brain. Why this electroconvulsive therapy means this is including to the and briefly electrical stimulation of the brain. Some people unconscious, some people depression, some people bipolar disorders. Na that time between forehead temporal bone is there, na two sides. In the place only you can connect of the ECT therapy. Whenever start of the ECT, that time automatic this therapy is stimulating of the brain while the patient is under anesthesia. Whenever patient is under anesthesia, means he even one of the anesthesia time means you can give anesthesia injection and slowly they will get to the unconscious. Immediately that time you can start of the ECT. And immediately that time stimulating of the brain. And because of why giving up, in case without anesthesia means what happened, they will get to the very brain problems and otherwise they will die. That's why you can give anesthesia after you can start of the ECT therapy. And it is a typically administered by a team of trained medical professionals. This main ECT therapy administering time very important of the some team members like medical professionals that including of psychiatrist important in the ECT therapy time, anesthesiologist and nurse and physician assistant. This all persons team members very important into the means during of the ECT therapy. This is a what is convulsive therapy. Next to definition. It is a treatment in which a grand mal seizure. Grand mal seizure means this one of the seizure type, like a unconscious type. Grand mal seizure means unconscious type. Is a artificially induced an anesthesia patient by passing on electrical current. In that patients whoever grand mal seizures, that time you can provide of the artificial inducing of anesthesia to the patient and by passing of electrical current through the electrodes by applied to the patient's head. First, you can give to the anesthesia to the patient. After this ECT therapy, you can pass up the electrical loads. Electrical load means electrical cords means that is like white color. Thus, two you can keep up the patient head side, like both side of the temporal bone area. You can keep up the electrodes and you can start up the ECT therapy. That time, automatic whoever have the unconscious. Whoever seizures, immediately they'll get the stimulate of the brain, they'll immediately get to the consciousness. That's the ECT main therapy providing duty and electric current through the inpatient head only, automatic they'll get the stimulation of the brain. 1 minute. Next to parameters. See, parameters means how much in case example PCT. PCT means paracetamol. Paracetamol drug, whoever have the fever, that time we can provide the PCT means how much small children means you can provide the 200 mg and otherwise elderly people means you can provide up the 250 to 500 mg. Like this dose have na same here also ECT providing time you can use up the power. How much power you can use means here voltage like a power 70 to 120. Whenever you connecting up the that ECT therapy in the both side of the head. That time what happened? Immediately you can use up the 70, 120 power. That time immediately the power, voltage power immediately went to the brain and that brain stimulating immediately they'll get to the consciousness. That's why only voltage you can provide up the 70, 120. That is a power like. Duration. 72.15 seconds. Means like within seconds, not a 1 minute also. Within seconds only you can keep and you can remove immediately ECT therapy. Like this 1 minute, 10 seconds, like that you can keep in the head only means the total brain will spoil. That's why within seconds only, that to 7.1.5 seconds inside. Like a seconds only, within 5 seconds now, in below 5 seconds only, immediately you can keep, immediately you can remove of the ECT therapy. That is a parameters like voltage, how much duration you will provide the ECT therapy. Next one, types of seizures produced means which type of whoever have the seizures in that which type of seizures time you can produce of the ECT therapy. Here, grand mal seizure, clonic phase. Grand mal seizure means starting of the starting stage. This is one of the starting stage of the seizure, and clonic phase means last stage. Like this also another like a types of seizures only, like a loss of unconscious. In the grandma seizure time, clonic phase lasting for 10 to 15 days, 10 to 15 seconds. Whoever have the grandma seizure, immediately you can provide up the ECT therapy 10 to 15 seconds. Because of this is a like a type of the seizure, not severe seizure. That's why you can provide up the 10 to 15 seconds of the ECT therapy. And clonic phase lasting for 30 to 60 seconds. This also very loss of the very normal stage of like a last stage of the particular person. That's why that time you can use up the more seconds, like a 30 to 60 second means 1 minute, because of the going of the severe depression. That's why immediately you can provide up the 30 to 60 seconds time to the ECT therapy. And that time ECT team members very important. Psychiatrist, anesthetist, psychiatric nurse, nursing aides, and ECT assistants. This all persons very important in ECT therapy time. That is a ECT team. Once you giving ECT therapy, that people will get the some side effects, like a signs and symptoms, like a side effects. What effects they will get means that deaths during ECT are due to general anesthesia. Mean that people will get the sometime death during ECT means in giving ECT time they will sometimes they'll death of the due to general anesthesia. Once whenever giving anesthesia, immediately they will get the conscious means immediately during time only they will die. Like this one of the side effects. And headache and body ache. Sometimes they have because of you are giving up in the brain in head only in ECT therapy. That's why they'll get to the total headache and body ache. Next, memory disturbance, the bilateral ECTs. Sometimes they will memory disturbance. They sometimes they will think they will get the memory, and within 2 minutes also they will forget. 1 minute. Okay. Next, memo disturbance, then bilateral ECTs means sometimes they will get to the memo disturbance. Once ECT therapy giving means that time immediately brain stimulation. That time sometimes they will get to the memories, and sometimes again they will loss of the memory because of bipolar. Bipolar disorder means like two disorders, one time good and one time bad. Like two characteristics like that have to the persons bipolar person. That's why sometimes they will get to the memory disturbances to the like a side effect about the ECT. Next, confusion may occur in the post-critical period. See, their confusion. Which time their confusion means post-critical period. Anybody have idea of post-critical period? Nobody responds. All are sleeping. Huh?
No, ma'am.
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 Okay. See, confusion may occur in the post-critical period. Post-critical period means they have to be sometimes hypertension, headache, nausea, vomiting, and confusion. Sometimes they will get to the confusing of the post-critical period. Whenever getting a drowsiness and have hypertension time and headache time, nausea time, this is under post-critical period. This time they'll get to the sometimes confusion. What happened me? Why getting a headache? Why getting a drowsiness? Why vomiting? This under they'll get to the sometimes confusion. That is one of the side effects. and vomiting due to increase of ICP. Whenever vomiting have means that persons will get to the ICP. Intracranial pressure means this cranial also having to in the brain nerves that whenever giving ECT therapy that time that nerves also pressure full pressure have increasing of the full pressure automatic they will immediately get to the vomiting like this have to the side effects in the ECT. Next one, indications when you want to give to the ECT therapy. Okay, please you can resign ma 2 or 5 minutes. Hello, resign Ray.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.